How to flip between profile picture and avatar on Facebook. So if you want to flip between the profile picture and avatar on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, now tap on edit profile option. Under edit profile, you will have the profile picture and the avatar. So if you want to flip between the profile picture and avatar, then you just need to create your avatar. So simply tap on create avatar and show on profile, and tap on take selfie, and you need to take a selfie, or you can also create manually. So tap on create manually and tap on next. Choose the hairstyle that you would like to add, and then tap on next and choose the hair color, face shape, and the outfit. And once you've done, you can also do more personalization if you want to, but I'll be doing this much. And then tap on save, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on save, it will take some time to update your avatar. Tap on next, and then your avatar has been created. Now you can go back, and here you will have an option of show on profile. So you need to simply toggle that option on. And once you toggle that option on, now if you go back and if you swipe on your profile picture, then you will have your avatar. So that's how you can flip between the profile picture and avatar on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.